Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today Kitty and I have the car mat out. Kitty loves the car mat. See all of Kitty's hair on the mat? Silly Kitty. Today the Teletubbies are going to go on an adventure. Lala, you need to find the tire shop on the track. Off Lala goes. Let's go up here. Look, Lala, it says Super Tire. She found the tires. Good job. Now you can head back to Mickey Mouse and Dipsy. Uh-oh, Kitty's in the way. We're going to have to get Monkey. Here, Kitty. Play with Monkey. Okay, if Kitty won't move, we'll just go around her. Good job, Lala. You found the tire shop. Who's next? Minnie Mouse is giving her car to Dipsy. Dipsy must find the motel. Dipsy rides the pink car around the track. Do you see a motel anywhere? It says Lucky's Used Cars. Aha! The Racetrack Motel. Dipsy found it. Let's head back and tell everyone. Yay! Now Po is off to find the donut shop. We love donuts. They're a special treat. Po goes past the tire shop, past the Racetrack Motel, and past Kitty. Oh, where did Kitty go? She's sitting on my chair. Silly Kitty. Are you going to sleep there? I need to sit down. Off Po goes. She still hasn't found the donut shop. There's the firehouse. Look, Po, donuts. Po stops for a little chocolate-covered donut. She gets donuts for the rest of her friends to share. And thank you so much for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.